Millie Caris is a renowned musician, actress, and songwriter. She has been a household name since she was 11, and as of today, she one of the best-selling female artists and one of the most followed celebrities in the world. She has transitioned from a teen idol to a chart-topping musician. Early life. Initially, Millie Caris went by the name Destiny Hope Caris. She is the daughter to William Ray Caris, a musician well known for his song H.A. Breaky Heart, and mother Leticia, who gave birth to her in 1992 in Tennessee. The name Millie Caris came as a result of her fondness to smile when she was a toddler, and she was nicknamed Smiley, which she shortened to Millie, and Caris was her grandfather's name. She has 4 siblings who are all in the entertainment industry, and her godmother was to date is a country music icon Dolly Parton. She went to school at Heritage Elementary School in Franklin, later moving to Hollywood, then to Toronto, where her father was filming a television series. She appeared and Tim Burton's Big Fish 2003, which she made appeared to. Millie Caris has been on a relationship that can best be described as an on-off relationship with Australian actor Liam Hemsworth since 2009. She got engaged in 2012, separated in 2014, but as of 2017 with the release on Malibu, there's speculation the two have already been married. Age, height and weight. Being born on 23 November 1992, Millie Caris is 28 years old as of today's date, 26th September 2021. Her height is 1.65 m tall and her weight is 58 kg in kilograms. Net worth and salary of Millie Caris in 2021. Millie Caris is one of the richest musicians in the world. She is among the best-selling artists, and her net worth is $200 million as of September 2021. 95% of Millie Caris' net worth, or rather earnings, have largely been boosted by her sold-out concert tours, which amount to $200 million. YouTube revenue amounting to $15 million annually, and lucrative endorsement deals with Walmart, Hannah Montana among other, amounting to over $75 million. It is estimated that between 2001 and today, Millie Caris must have made around $370 million. Career. Millie Caris' career started off when she was a little in her appearance in the Dad's television series The Doc, but her professional breakthrough was in 2004 when she beat the other 1,000 hopefuls for a place in Disney show Hannah Montana. She was good at acting and singing. She managed a sport in the series. Soon Ina Stewart or the Rather Millie Caris became a teen idol. She will then release her debut studio album Hannah Montana 2, Meet Miley Cyrus in 2007, which was a commercial success as it sold over 3 million copies. She then launched to tour Best of the Both Worlds in 2008 to promote the album, and it is reported she earned around $31.3 million. Her second studio album, Breakout, was released in 2008 and was a commercial success. The same year, she starred in Bolt 2008, the animated film. The following year, Miley Cyrus released the film Hannah Montana Party in the USA and the episode The Time of Our Lives 2009. Her song Party in the USA became the most successful single she has ever released to date. From 2010 to 2015, Miley Cyrus has released a number of albums and starred in a couple of films. Some of the albums she released are Cannot Be Tamed 2010, Bangers 2013, and Miley Cyrus and Her Deep Patus 2015. Films she starred in are The Last Song 2010, LOL 2012, So Undercover 2012, Millie the Movement 2013, The Night Before 2015, A Very Merry Christmas 2015. From 2016 to present, she has been working as a judge in the 11th season of The Voice, starred in Woody Allen series, and working on her 6th album Younger Now. Some of the songs in the upcoming album are Malibu and Inspired. Apart for music, she has also starred in Guardians of the Galaxy Volume Number 2, 2017.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in.